Konnichiwa! I'll share my secret for your better learning outcome as a professional teacher. You just need to know the right methods for your learning. There are 4 crucial points. 1. Effective input. Okay, how do you learn new expressions? Do you just need to memorize all? Isn't it hard? The best way is to understand the native mindset why they say like this. For example, once you know お願いします means I request, and Japanese people request welcome at self-introduction rather than nice to meet you, then you can order ramen by saying ラーメンお願いします I request ramen. In this way, you'll understand the phrase better. As a result, you remember better. 2. Effective practice. After you learn new expressions, do you want to have a conversation with the native speakers or practice with them? Actually, you might end up with frustration if you're a beginner. They use too many expressions you haven't studied, so it's hard to understand. Or it takes time to make a sentence and they don't wait for you and keep going. So what should you do to express yourself? Self-practice is essential for adult learners for your preparation. This preparation will boost your confidence because you can express yourself smooth like my students do. 3. Effective question and answers. But how would you prepare? In real conversation, they ask you about you, and you ask about them. This is real interaction in speaking. So first, practice understanding questions and how to answer. You simply make questions and answers by using the new expressions. And second, be prepared to talk about yourself. Do you normally talk about the main character of your textbook? From today, please focus on yourself. 4. Effective frequency. Now I want to share how to. It's important to practice little by little. For example, 5 minutes a day. You'll be able to say something quicker day by day. It's just like practicing tennis and piano. Build a solid base and speak better. To summarize, 1. Learn the native mindset behind the expressions. 2. Practice on your own first. 3. Practice questions and answers about yourself. And 4. Little by little each day. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Try free lessons on masterspeakingjapanese.com. You'll learn the Japanese mindset behind the expressions and make steady progress. If you prefer self-study, it's perfect for you. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.